Ever wondered how a giraffe gets a chiropractic adjustment?
Oh, there we go. Let's get another one. Any tail swishing? You fine? I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna get here for a second. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull his.
Is that how you want to hug again? I'm all about that. All about that.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull his head down. Like that.
What about my head?
Over another head.
Oh.
So this, I went to Africa and was working on giraffes in Africa. Completely different experience. They were 100% wild. You know, they were getting darted out of a helicopter and we were relocating them. Okay.
I get that it's for the good of the animals, but
It's hard. Yeah, it's really hard. Okay.